Advanced Digital Marketing Tactics. Welcome to this lesson on Advanced Digital Marketing Tactics. In this lesson, we will be exploring some more advanced techniques for promoting products or services online. One advanced digital marketing tactic is content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. The goal is to educate and engage potential customers, rather than directly promoting a product or service. There are many different types of content that can be used as part of a content marketing strategy, including blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and social media posts. The key is to create content that is valuable and relevant to your target audience. Another advanced digital marketing tactic is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with individuals or organizations that have a large following on social media or other platforms to promote your products or services. This can be a powerful way to reach a new audience and build credibility for your brand. A third advanced digital marketing tactic is remarketing. Remarketing involves showing ads to users who have visited your website or app but have not yet converted. This can be an effective way to bring users back to your site and increase the chances of a conversion. In summary, advanced digital marketing tactics such as content marketing, influencer marketing, and remarketing can help you reach new audiences, build credibility, and drive conversions. By using these tactics as part of your overall marketing strategy, you can take your digital marketing efforts to the next level. I hope this lesson has provided some insight into advanced digital marketing tactics. Thank you for watching.